What's up, y'all? You know how some days you're like, I am so smart. Like, I could solve world hunger, create world peace, all in a matter of hours, right? And then some days you're like, how did I even make it out of my bed this morning without tripping and falling on my face? Well, today was scenario number 2 for me. There will be no sound in the video except for what you're hearing right now because I didn't have this webcam with me and had it set up with all my settings for this webcam. That means you won't hear any of the lessons, and I had some really great lessons in there today. I was actually kind of excited about them. That just means we'll have to save them for another day. So a couple of the lessons that are very important to talk about right now. 2 losing trades. Both of those losing trades took me for more than 1.25 points. First one was 1.5 points each contract. The second one was 1.75 each contract. So it's funny, you know, when you really think about it, how it's very easy to go past your risk, but you can never get more than your profit. I mean, that's just part of it, right? So, I lost a little bit more. That was about 1.5 points extra that I lost on trades when it shot past my risk. And so that does happen sometimes, but you know, in the same breath, thank God I had the risk in place, because could you imagine if it just kept shooting and shooting and I didn't have anything to stop it or even trigger it to stop? So that is a good thing. 6 trades today, 2 losses, 4 wins, positive 4.75, all in less than an hour. And that's going to be it. Hope you guys have a wonderful Thursday. I hope you have a little bit more common sense than I did this morning. I thought, oh, it's so beautiful outside today. I'm just going to sit with the door open. Dog was barking most of the time, so you missed out on that. So I hope y'all have a wonderful Thursday. And there she goes. And if you have any questions, you know, you can ask me, and look forward to catching y'all on the profitable side.